Google just dropped something crazy. It's called Google Workspace Studio, and it lets you build AI agents in minutes. No coding required. I'm about to show you how to stop doing busy work forever. This is the future of work, and it's available right now. Okay, so Google just made automation stupid easy, like insanely easy. They launched Google Workspace Studio, and it's a game changer. This thing lets anyone build AI agents that automate your entire workflow. We're talking Gmail, calendar, docs, sheets, drive, everything up. And here's the best part. You don't need to code. You don't need to hire a developer. You can set this up in minutes. I'm talking like 5 minutes and you're done. Now, before we go deeper, let me tell you what this actually is. Google Workspace Studio is a new tool inside Google Workspace. It lets you build AI agents that do your boring tasks for you. Think about all the stuff you hate doing. Responding to the same emails over and over, updating spreadsheets manually, chasing people for meeting notes, moving files around, all that annoying daily grind stuff. This tool automates it, and the crazy part is how fast you can build these agents. Google says you can do it in seconds or minutes, not hours, not days, minutes. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. So why is this different from old automation tools? Because old tools were hard. You needed to learn coding, or you needed to mess around with complex scripts and macros, or you had to pay someone to set it up for you. Google Workspace Studio throws all that out the window. It's built for normal people, business people, not tech people. You use a simple interface, you click some buttons, you tell it what you want, and boom, your agent is live. These agents use Gemini's AI power under the hood. That means they can actually understand context. They can read your emails and know what's important. They can look at your calendar and figure out what to do next. They can chain together multiple steps across different apps. This isn't some dumb automation that just moves data from point A to point B. This is smart automation. These agents actually think, and Google just announced this is now generally available. That means it's not some beta test anymore. It's live, it's ready. You can use it right now if you have Google Workspace. This is huge because it means millions of people suddenly have access to AI automation without needing any technical skills. Let me walk you through how this actually works. You open Google Workspace Studio, you pick a trigger. A trigger is just the thing that starts your agent. Maybe it's when you get an email with a specific subject line, or when someone adds a file to a Drive folder, or when a meeting ends on your calendar. You pick whatever makes sense for your workflow. Then you tell the agent what to do. Let's say you pick the email trigger. Now you tell it what actions to take. Maybe you want it to pull out the important info from that email, then update a spreadsheet with that info, then send a summary to your team in Google Chat. All of that happens automatically. You set it up once. Then every time that email comes in, your agent handles it. You never have to touch it again. And here's where it gets really good. You can share these agents with your team. So if you build something useful, you don't have to rebuild it for everyone. You just share it. One person builds it, the whole team benefits. That's massive for productivity. And if you want to learn how to save time and automate your business with tools like Google Workspace Studio, you need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. This is where I share all the best AI automation strategies to help you scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours every month. We've got a whole community of people building these automations and sharing what works. The link is in the description. Go check it out right now. So back to it. Now, let me show you some real examples that'll blow your mind. Example one, you get tons of customer inquiry emails every day. Before, you had to read each one, figure out what they need, update your tracking sheet, maybe forward it to the right person. That's like 10 minutes per email. With an agent, it all happens instantly. The agent reads the email, pulls out the customer name and their question, updates your sheet, routes it to the right team member. Done. You save 10 minutes, multiply that by 20 emails a day. That's over 3 hours saved every single day. Example two, you have weekly team meetings. After every meeting, someone has to write up the notes, email them to everyone, create follow-up tasks, update the project tracker. That's another 30 minutes of boring work. Build an agent for this. When the meeting ends, the agent grabs the meeting details. It can even pull info from your calendar about what was discussed. It writes up a summary, emails it to all attendees, creates tasks in your task manager, updates your project sheet, all automatic. You literally do nothing. These are just basic examples. The possibilities are endless. You can build agents for literally any repetitive task you do in Google Workspace. And remember, this takes minutes to set up, not hours, not days, minutes. Now, what if you're technical? What if you want to go deeper? Good news, you can. Google built this to work for everyone. If you're not technical, you use the simple interface. But if you are technical, you can extend it. You can build custom steps. You can use Google Apps script. You can connect it to APIs. You can make it do basically anything, so it scales. Beginners can use it, experts can use it, everyone wins. But here's something important you need to know. These agents access your workspace data. That means they can read your emails, they can see your files, they can look at your calendar. So you need to think about security and permissions. Don't just build agents and share them with everyone without thinking it through. Test them first. Make sure they only access what they need to access. If you're an admin, you need to set up proper governance. This is powerful stuff. You want to use it responsibly. Google hasn't spelled out every single security detail yet, but the fact that these agents live inside Workspace means they use Workspace's existing security framework. That's good, but you still need to be smart about it. Don't give an agent access to sensitive data if it doesn't need it. Don't share agents with people who shouldn't see certain info. Use common sense. All right, so how do you actually get started? First, make sure your Google Workspace plan supports this. Google announced it's generally available, so most plans should have it, but double check. Then go into Google Workspace Studio, start small. Pick one task you hate doing, one repetitive, boring task. Build an agent for that, test it, make sure it works, then deploy it. Use it for a week. See how much time you save, then pick another task, build another agent, keep going. Before you know it, you'll have a whole team of AI agents working for you. And if you get stuck, there are tons of resources